friends. Today I'm going to read to you Bear Says Thanks. There's a lot of books about Bear and his friends that you can find maybe at the library or the bookstore. It's a great series of books. Bear is so cute and all his friends are so fun. You'll see. Bear Says Thanks. Bear Says Thanks. Oh my gosh, there he is. Look. See his little legs sticking out of his little cave, his little den? So cute. Bear Says Thanks. All alone in his cave, Bear listens to the wind. He is bored, and he misses his friends. I could make a big dinner, a feast I could share. But he looks through his cupboard, and the cupboard is bare. Your cupboards are like your cabinets where you would keep all your food. The cupboard is bare. Oh, wait a minute. The cupboard is bare and he's a bear. Those are two different bears. His cupboard is bare means he has no food in his cabinets. Then Mouse stops by with a huckleberry pie. And the bear says thanks. Look at his friend, the teeny tiny mouse with the teeny tiny pie. And the bear says thanks. Bear says, goodness me, a delectable pie. But I have made nothing, he adds with a sigh. Oh, he feels bad that he hasn't made anything. Then they hear hi-ho when they both see Hare with a big batch of muffins at the door of the lair. Oh, so now Hare, who's a rabbit, has arrived with muffins. Hare hurries in from the cold rushing wind, and the bear says thanks. Of course, says Hare. Then he points to the door. Here comes Badger, and he's got even more. Brrr, says Badger as he trumps inside. He sets down his pole, and he smiles real wide. I'm back from a stroll at the old fishing hole. And the bear says, thanks. So Badger brought some fish that he caught when he was fishing. Then Gopher and Mole tunnel up from the ground. We have warm honey nuts. Let's pass them around. So there's Gopher and Mole. They came right up through the ground because they like to tunnel underground, gophers and moles. So they came up with some warm honey nuts to share. There's a flap and a flitter and a flurry in the den when in flutters Owl with Raven and Wren. We have pears from the tree and herbs to brew tea. Oh my gosh, now here comes all of Bear's bird friends. He's got Raven right here and Owl. Oh, and Wren. Where's Wren? Oh, there he is, up there. Tiny little Wren. They brought some things to make tea. And also some pears. And the bear says, wait. Bear mutters and he stutters and he wears a big frown. Bear sighs and he moans and he plops himself down. You have brought yummy treats. You are so nice to share. But me, I have nothing. My cupboards are bare. Oh, he feels bad. He has nothing to share with his friends when they've already shared so much. He wants to share too. Mouse squeaks, don't fret. There's enough, dear bear. You don't need any food. You have stories to share. His friends hug him tight. It will be all right. And the bear says, thanks. Oh my gosh, what nice friends. They say, don't worry. You know what? You can share some good stories. They lay out their feast on a quilt on the ground, and the bear takes a seat while his friends gather round. They are ready for one of Bear's famous stories. In a cave in the woods, in a warm, bright lair, the friends feel grateful for their good friend Bear. They pass around platters, they tweet and they chatter, and they all say thanks. So these guys are just thankful for being together. They are great friends together, and they're thankful that they get to spend some time together with some good food and good stories. This is called Bear Says Thanks, and it's by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. You should definitely check out books by them. They write a lot of stories about the bear and his friends. All right, friends, I'll see you later. Bye.